Today I'm unboxing Super Mario Bros. 2 on vinyl. Super excited for this one. Now I'm just one release away from completing the full Mario box set that this release is a part of. This game originally came out for Nintendo in 1988, and the soundtrack was made by legendary video game composer Koji Kondo. It has an insert of the Mario World, track listing, and game-inspired art. And of course I had to get the Birdo egg pressing for this one. Once I have the full set, I'll make another video with everything, so stay tuned.